Matt here, and today I'm gonna get the TRX back out. It hasn't been out in a while. I put it mostly back to stock body, stock wheels and tires. It does still have all the weights on it though. We got the brass underneath on all 4 tires, the links, and I got some new drive shafts in there I'm gonna try out. So anyway, that's what we'll do today. I'm supposed to be meeting up BJ and Ryan here in a minute. See if we can all get together and get out and have a little fun. Hey BJ.
I'm Matt.
You ready?
Matt's dad.
You ready to crawl? You like my eyeglasses?
Did you bring me some?
No. Hey Ryan.
Hello.
You ready to do some crawling? You like my shades?
Wow.
Man, they're pretty cool, right?
Yeah. I'll be in the shot.
I'm dragging a stick. Grab that stick from the line. It's too sweaty to bend over. Put it in there. Yeah, I'll take it back for firewood.
Yeah. Oh, that's kind of deep.
I see it. I see it. So you come up this. Oh no, that's deep. I got this over here. Is not.
You're gonna get close.
Come on, dude.
Oh, I lost my skill set.
Where's Matt? Oh, he's busy playing.
I got a couple pictures here.
Going deep.
Waterfalls
Come around.
Guys, I have a plan.
I was gonna tell you to go up.
All right, move your camera towards the middle of the river. So I'm going to jump the gap.
Hold on.
This is such a bad idea.
This is really cool terrain over there.
There it is.
Where are you going? Man, that's too deep, dude.
I'm going to jump it.
No, wait, look right here.
Jumping.
Look around over the edge there. You should go all the way around.
I guess I could do that.
I'm pretty sure you'd go up and down.
You will. Of course you will. That thing weighs 28 pounds.
You're right. That call.
Remember learning about this guy, Newton or somebody? Had this
It would
crazy...
be funny. I wouldn't tell you not to do it for.
I would. Oh, for
YouTube
cinematic
footage.
value?
Yeah.
YouTube goal. It's trickier going back.
Yeah.
I don't either.
Probably fine.
It's still on, guys. Say hi.
A little water camera.
You know, my case is dented, though. I'm sure that doesn't help the waterproofing.
Hold on, I'm not done with this shot.
Oh!
Down, done.
Now I'm done. Keep going. Keep going.
I can.
Are you crazy?
You see my tire marks down there?
I'm not going down there.
You can see your tire marks down there.
Now, let me give it a go.
Give it a go, Ryan.
That's fun to climb, though.
Good thing I got this boat.
Oh, shit. Whoa.
Shit!
Get it.
It's under there. It's in there. Is that rolling?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going this way.
I don't know if I got it falling in, though, because I was falling over.
I had your backpack.
I know. Dude,
Like, well, the truck is gone. I'll save Matt's life.
shoes are slipping.
You wearing the stupid Jordans again?
Yeah.
We're trying to get the tire spin.
Oh, okay.
There, go around. That's fun. Pretty cool, okay? You go from the wheel speed.
That's for the video's sake. I didn't mean.
I think you did. Oh yeah, that's a good idea though, all around there. Oh boy. Oh God, use it!
Oh no!
Oh, the kayak's gone.
Oh no!
Oh, it's off too. That kayak might be gone.
Bye bye, canoe.
Bye-bye, Traxxas. I started watching you because you were so deep, and my truck goes.
Whoop. I tried to get the camera on it quick enough, but it didn't
The
happen.
current just pulled it, dude.
I'm gonna walk down there, see if I can find your boat.
That was hilarious.
After I watch BJ do what you did.
Dude, it shut off though, that BEC, I think.
Oh no!
Yeah. Oh man. Hey, can I borrow that Traxxas BEC?
You can have it. Yeah, you can have that, dude. Are you fried?
If it's broke, it's just that guy. Everything else is waterproof.
Let's go on an adventure, find that canoe.
We can try.
I mean,
I think it's probably dry out here. Nobody's.
yeah.
No, it's not a big deal. Wait, now hold on a minute. What about my one wet shoe? No one's talked about it.
No one cares.
Water shoes, man, you're fine.
Yeah, those are water shoes.
Dude, your canoe works fantastic.
I know, it's
fast.
you know.
It's a racing canoe.
I only make things that are fast.
the Lothi canoe. Dude, gone.
In the wild, searching for the canoe. Yeah, we ain't going this way.
It's either stuck in a branch on the side or it's way down.
Yeah, I think it's in Canada. Because that's Geography 101.
This is probably the strongest current anywhere on the creek right now.
Yeah, good place to drop your camera.
Too bad we don't have a little drone or boat to send out for it.
Right?
That's what happened. So I came over and I got into here.
Look right there.
Well, I know I was going to come around and the current just went, it just pulled me off. Harder way there, huh? That's not how it works in the boat. Yeah, right? Yeah, it's kind of
One
straddled
tire
there.
on either side.
Yeah,
of
you gotta go.
This thing rolls so much.
That's the track ride. Cool.
What do you guys think of that crawl?
It was amazing.
It's a good crawl.
I don't think it was the most scale, but it was the most fun.
My car's the only one that made it out working.
Well, my battery died, but I went boating as well. Matt went boating for a
We
minute.
never found the kayak.
Kayak is gone.
It's gone.
Kayak's gone.
We just have to get behind
Brian
the old
printed
printer.
that. So,
Printed it too fast.
yeah. Well,
Next time we'll print a slow one. So-
Square the nose on.
Perfect. It's not my fault you don't know how to tie stuff to your truck.
That's agreed.
yeah. Anyway, thanks for
Anyway.
watching. But that's fine.
It works. What is traffic doing?
Let me just take a view.
Hey, I don't know what happened.
Oh, I'm gonna slide in.
Oh, somebody needs to be over there.
That was
Look at my truck.
awesome.
Look at my truck. I'm not precariously placed there.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, geez. I want to go back over there with you guys now.
Don't go in the water, Ryan. Jeez. Look at that one fast over there. Okay.
Drunk driver.
Well, I gotta make it over and close up for me.
Yeah, that's why I'm coming
I'm
back.
gonna take the camera over there and show it where we closed up. How fast did you get over there?
Pretty fast.
Pretty freaking fast.
Yeah, I went through that. I took a shortcut.
Don't move till I go put the camera over
I'm
there.
not touching nothing. I'm perfectly
Please.
spaced.
Go up on that rock, EJ.